If you don't have a lot of time today, you want to get your blood flow going, you want to feel a little bit more energetic, you want to feel a little bit more alive and flexible, this video is for you. Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to Anna Bendy, or welcome if you're new to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick 10-minute full body stretching routine which will include dynamic and static stretches to bring your energy levels up and get you feeling good. We're going to start with our downward dog to a plank, starting with a little bit of a dynamic exercise. We're going to have our feet planted to the ground in our downward dog. And as we're going to the plank, make sure your wrists are aligned with your shoulders and you're making your back be as neutral as you can. And next we're going to move on into pedaling in our downward dog. Same thing, we're pressing those heels down towards the floor as much as we can, using our hands to push ourselves down, chest to the floor. Next, we're going to move on into our twists in our pyramid. In our pyramid stretch, we're making sure our feet are aligned and facing straight ahead of you. And then on our twist, we're opening up our chest to the sky the best we can, feeling a nice stretch in our lower back, in our lats, and our shoulders. And then we're going to hold that twist for as long as we can, keeping our knees as straight as possible. Feel free to use yoga blocks if you need to, underneath your hand. Then we're going to move on into pyramid to a lunge stretch. Same thing, we're using our feet to press down towards the floor, and then in our lunge, we're tucking our hips in to feel max stretch in our quad and our hip flexors. And once you're done, we're going to transition into our side lunge, into a regular lunge. So we're twisting that hip flexor, letting our hips open up even further. Trying to keep your back neutral. Do not overarch your lower back. Feel free to use yoga blocks or a wall or a chair for assistance if you need to. As you're finishing up, we're going to hold that lunge position, trying to have your knee off the ground, but to modify, feel free to bring that knee down to the floor. Tuck your hips in, keep your spine neutral, and keep your core engaged. Make sure your front foot is aligned with your top knee. As you're getting out of that lunge, we're going to switch sides and perform the same exercises all on the other side, starting with our pyramid twists, and then we're going to hold that twist. As you're holding, make sure you're lengthening those shoulders and reaching with your hand to the sky, keeping both knees as straight as you can, and trying to press that back heel down to the floor. Great work. As we're finishing up with our hips, we're going to move on into our child pose, into cobra. Same thing, we're adding a little bit more of a dynamic motion here. As you're transitioning through each position, make sure you're controlling your range of motion, trying to lengthen those arms in the back in the child's pose. And then as you're transitioning into the cobra, we're trying to open up the shoulders up, look up to the sky, and stretch the back as much as you can, pressing those hips down towards the floor. And we're going to pause right here and hold our cobra stretch. And you can add those shoulder rolls and neck rolls if those feel good. Make sure you're tucking your hips in and you're pressing with your palms, squeezing those shoulder blades together. Our next move will be thread the needle, except we're going to alternate each side at a time, trying to twist your lower back as much as you can, reaching forward and almost thinking you're trying to roll over that shoulder. And we're going to pause right here and hold our thread the needle for 15 seconds. And we're going to switch sides and perform the same thing on the other side. Moving on to our straddle, we're going to sit up straight. Make sure both of your hip bones are touching the floor. And we're just going to circle it around. You can flex your feet or keep them pointed. Make sure your lower back is arched and you're trying to keep your chest as open as possible. Keeping that nice straddle, we're going to move to overhead reach, side to side, alternating each arm that goes over your head. Keep your feet flexed to feel more stretch in your hamstrings and trying to grow up towards the sky with that arm as you're reaching up to feel nice stretch in your lat. And for our last move, we're going to pause and hold it for 10 seconds. And then we're going to transition to the other side and hold the other side for 10 seconds as well. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. It's my pleasure stretching with you. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please share it with somebody who might need these stretches as well. Give this video a like, comment, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. It really helps out the channel, and I appreciate everyone's support. If you want more from Anna Bendy, I do have my weekly newsletter. There I share helpful tips, inspiration, insights on flexibility, and giving you actionable steps that you can take to get more flexible. Also, as a reminder, if you don't want to miss out any updates on Unlock Your Flexibility course that is launching very soon, go ahead and sign up for a waitlist newsletter to be updated and be the first one to know when it launches. On that note, I hope you have the really good rest of your day, rest of your afternoon, evening, wherever you're at in the world. I'm really thankful to have you on this channel with me, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.